And when thinking about how Sylvera could really approach and create a solution for the actors in the pre-issuance space, whether you are a project developer, if you are an investor, or if you are an off-taker, what we learned is that to really meet the needs of people operating in this space, it broadly breaks down into three phases of an approach. So first is origination, finding those high quality projects, or there's a fly, finding those high quality projects, understanding which ones should make it into the next phase of diligence. So thinking about origination, we said, okay, we have the relationships with project developers and suppliers. So we developed an early stage catalog that gives buyers and investors access to more than 200 projects that are not yet on registry, looking for different kinds of investment or offtakes, projects that are biochar projects, ARR projects, direct air capture projects, biogenic carbon capture and storage projects, and putting them together all in one place to make it easier for those who are looking to offtake or invest to find those projects. And on the other side, if you are a developer or a supplier, you won't have access to that catalog that's filled with other, proprietary information of developers, but if you are a developer, you can list your project to indicate and access the demand side of the Sylvera platform. So two slightly different solutions for two slightly different use cases, but filtering into that early stage catalog nonetheless. The next phase of the pre-issuance solution focuses on the transaction, and I think this is probably where Sylvera is known best. This is the bread and butter carbon credit due diligence, thinking about integrity or carbon credit quality. So this is a report that is going to go into all of the facets of carbon credit integrity, delivery risk, as well as the value, to make sure that you can identify all of the risks and uncertainties that exist within this project at a given point in time and design a remediation pathway. Then last, we think about portfolio management. And this is the beauty of the pre-issuance space, where it is less about, it's not so much a transactional approach in the same way that the spot market may be, but really when you are deciding to go with a pre-issuance project, you're kind of signing on for the long run. It is not just a year agreement typically, it is a multi-year agreement. And so you want to have the data and the updates required at your fingertips to make sure that you have the data to decide and align with specific milestones if you're structuring milestone-based payments, or if you're tracking along KPIs, making sure that you have updated data to reflect the progress of a project so that you can take corrective action or adapt course if required.